Why financial education matters. Imagine navigating a complex maze without a map or compass. That's what life can feel like without financial literacy. It's not just about dollars and cents, it's about making informed decisions and securing your future. Budgeting is more than tracking your spending, it's planning for emergencies and securing your dreams. When you budget, you learn to prioritize essentials and manage limited resources effectively. Students equipped with budgeting skills are better prepared to handle the financial challenges of adulthood. Debt can be a heavy burden, affecting both financial and mental well-being. Understanding how credit and loans work helps students make wiser borrowing decisions. With financial education, you learn the importance of living within your means and how to prevent unnecessary debt from derailing your goals. Saving is the cornerstone of financial stability, and investing allows your money to grow. Even small savings can turn into substantial amounts over time with interest. Learning about different investment options, like stocks and bonds, empowers students to grow wealth and achieve financial independence. Financial literacy isn't just theoretical, it's incredibly practical. Whether you're calculating the total cost of student loans or understanding how taxes impact your paycheck, these skills are directly applicable to everyday life. Financial knowledge enables you to make informed decisions leading to a stable financial future. Financial education helps you set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them. By understanding inflation, asset management, and economic trends, you can safeguard your financial future. You're not just preparing to earn money, you're learning to make it work for you. Start with the basics, open a bank account, practice budgeting with your allowance, or explore financial literacy courses online. Making small efforts now can yield great benefits in the future. Remember, financial education is an ongoing journey that evolves with your life stages and career ambitions. Don't wait until you're faced with financial decisions to start learning. Embrace financial education now to empower yourself with the knowledge needed to navigate life's challenges confidently. Take control of your financial destiny by learning today, and ensure a successful and prosperous tomorrow. Begin your journey now.